Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends Ranked. To succeed, you must first grasp the scoring system, which rewards both eliminations and high placement. Selecting a legend that synergizes with your teammates is crucial for a balanced squad. Effective communication, whether through pings or voice chat, ensures everyone is on the same page. Teamwork truly makes the dream work in the competitive arena. The initial drop sets the tone for your entire match. Aim for areas with quality loot but fewer immediate enemies to avoid early engagements. Your first priority is to secure strong armor, reliable weapons, and sufficient healing supplies. Engaging in fights too early without proper gear often leads to a quick elimination, costing valuable ranked points. Play smart, not just aggressive, from the start. As the mid-game unfolds, smart rotations become paramount. Move early to claim high ground or strong cover within the next ring. When engaging, always have a clear strategy and an exit plan if things go south. Continuously manage your inventory, ensuring you have ample healing items and ammunition for sustained fights. Being prepared is half the battle in these crucial moments. In the late game, positioning is everything. Aim to control the final ring, ideally from high ground, to gain a significant advantage. Prioritize taking down isolated enemies and always protect your squad mates. Deploy your legend's ultimate abilities at critical moments to turn the tide of battle. A well-timed ultimate can secure those final eliminations and clinch a hard-fought victory, earning you maximum ranked points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.